I also want to talk to you about post-poll violence in Bengal. As you know, there has been shocking post-poll violence in Bengal. There have been murders, homes have been burnt, the TMC party offices have been destroyed, people have been displaced. It has required the chairperson of the Trinamool Congress, Mamata Banerjee, to go to the court herself. She went to the court yesterday and a favorable court order was given by the Calcutta High Court that the West Bengal police must immediately ensure that all displaced persons are taken back to their villages. तो ममता बनर्जी खुद कोर्ट में गई और खुद अपीयर हुई on this post poll violence, and therefore the court has given a favorable order that जो भी displace हुए हैं in post poll violence, they must be escorted back to their homes by the police. I also want to tell you that तृणमूल कांग्रेस की तरफ से हमने 3 टीम्स बनाई हैं, फैक्ट फाइंडिंग टीम्स. इसमें 4 to 5 मेंबर्स होंगे, जिसमें 2 और 3 मेंबर्स ऑफ पार्लियामेंट हैं. ये 3 फैक्ट फाइंडिंग टीम कल से सैटरडे 16 मई से बंगाल में घूमेंगे फॉर 5 days, and they are going to gather all the facts on the manner in which the elections were manipulated, the manner in which voting was manipulated, the manner in which counting was manipulated, and the manner in which central forces distorted the people's mandate and the way the BJP stole the 2026 elections in Bengal. I also want to tell you that the opposition India alliance is fully united on the vote loot that the BJP is now doing throughout the country. BJP is looting votes, using the election commission, using the central forces, using the entire machinery of the government, and looting votes in election after election after election. Not letting proper counting happen, not letting proper elections happen, deleting lakhs of voters, and therefore winning elections through fraud. The Opposition India Alliance is completely united on this vote loot, and we will be holding programs, we will be holding protests, and we will be holding agitations in Delhi, about which we will keep you posted. But the main focus today, what I want to bring before you, is the manner in which the Modi government is repeatedly cheating the people of India. You are not telling the people about the energy shortage. You are not giving proper information about the economic situation. You are not giving proper information about whether fuel has been stockpiled. You are not giving proper information on how you intend to deal with the LPG crisis. Yet, after the elections, after you have looted votes, you are raising prices and hitting the common man. So that's the short statement I wanted to make.